Okay, I'll show the other game we got. I showed a little bit of diffuser the other day. I'll show you padlock. Start the game. So I guess the idea is to get rid of. So we'll continue part two. Continue mission three. So the idea is to get rid of all the squares. Each time you click, it does the ops. It's not. Not sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's. Maybe this is as far as I can get. I guess you play until you're done. Or you just quit. Well, I guess I'm not very good at this game.